today let's do the white light meditation, another favorite as we're going through the list of our favorite meditations over those 3 years. And this is a healing technique designed to engage all the chakras, activating our innate healing network. So without further ado, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your breath, into this moment without struggling, letting everything be as it is. Now visualize a stream of vibrant white light flowing infinitely down from the source and into your body through the top of your head. Feel the light wash over you as a purifying waterfall, cleansing you of all your past worries, fears, anxieties. As the light flows through you, allow yourself to access unconditional love, joy, well-being, vitality. The white light shines vibrantly, as vibrant as all the jewels and gems in this world, and reflects all the colors of the rainbow throughout your body. Feel each color strike each individual cell of your body with radiating love and nourishment. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. Repeat after me. I am healing. Breathe the stream of light in through your head. And once again, I am healing. The light flows through your body, enriching, enlivening you. Breathe the light deep in and down to your feet, and then through the soles of the feet into the earth, creating an immeasurable corridor of light from the source through your entire being and deep into the core of the earth. So you become a conduit for this white, purifying, healing light. Feel that you are now becoming the white light itself, sending healing energy out into the world, to all the sentient beings. The healing light resides within you and circulates through your being, cleansing it of any obscurities, impurities that have misconstrued your perception of unconditional love. Old and stagnant energy is instantly eradicated and replaced with the vibrant energy of life. Now from your crown chakra, breathe the white light deeper into your third eye, filling it with love and light. Release all that no longer serves you and free yourself from any obstructions blocking you from light. Request the white light to grant you inner vision and allow your perspective to expand infinitely. From the third eye, breathe the white light further down into your throat chakra, where your truth lives. Release all things that impede the truth of who you are. As you breathe out the white light, it passes through your throat chakra and releases the truth into the universe through your voice. Now from the throat, move the white light down into your heart chakra. Feel the ultimate expansion at an infinite rate as pure white light pierces and becomes every aspect of your heart. Your heart now radiates as a brilliant white sphere of light and love. Repeat after me. I am light. I am light. Now from your heart, bring the healing white light down into your solar plexus. Release all limitations and expectations placed upon you externally. Set the intention to live freely and openly. From the solar plexus, breathe this pure white light down into your sacral chakra, right below your navel. Breathe deeply into the space, nurturing deep respect for yourself, for your inner child. And now breathe this pure healing white light down into your root chakra, grounding yourself within this reality and providing you with a strong foundation in which to operate from. Repeat after me. I am pure white light. I am pure white light. With each breath, the brilliant white light expands more and more, surrounding your entire physical body. If you want to, you can repeat after me again. I am an expanding pure essence of white light. I am an expanding pure essence of white light. I breathe this healing white light into, within, and through my entire body. I breathe this healing light into, within, and through my entire body. Now breathe the white light through your emotional being, cleansing and purifying all aggravating emotions. Release all stagnant emotions that no longer serve your higher purpose. Breathe out the white light through your heart center into the universe. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. As each breath continues, the healing white light expands further and further out. Invoke the healing power of the light to transform any thoughts or actions that may have been previously limiting into thoughts and actions of great potential. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. Now breathe the white light even deeper into yourself and allow it to touch your spirit. Let it wash through vigorously and cleanse your spirit. Let the white light enter into your higher self. Recognize your higher self who exists in the past, present, and future. As we share in the light and then become the light itself, we expand further to all dimensions. I consciously expand into my presence in this moment. I consciously expand into my presence this moment. I am peace. I am peace. As you breathe out, ask the white light to permanently radiate throughout your whole being and out into the world. I surrender myself to the light. I am the light. I surrender myself to the light. I am the light. Take a few moments to bask into this feeling. Maybe you can feel the warmth and the light in your belly, in your heart, in your throat. Place your hands on your heart now and repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So right now, I am okay. All is well in my world. As you go through your day today, I invite you to keep connecting with this essence of yourself, the pure white light that is healing.